The tools you'll need for this job are a standard Phillips head screwdriver and a pick. If you don't have a pick, you can use any tool with a pointed end like this one. First, let's remove the handle cover. This is done by inserting our pick into the corner of the handle and gently prying out. Then pull your pick along the base of the handle to pop it loose. Next, we use our Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws in the handle here and here. Once the handle comes free from the freezer, be careful not to drop the screws. We'll need those in just a moment. Now we're ready to install our new handle. We're going to take one of our Phillips head screws and we're going to drop it in the left side of the handle. This is the side that doesn't have a lock. You can start with the lock side, but it's just easier to get this one through by gently tapping it. Once our screw falls through, you can secure it with your fingers. This lets you get the screwdriver started into the head of the screw. Start the screw into the freezer. Taking our other screw, we place it in the side with the lock. It can be a little tricky getting it through the slot, but it's much easier on this side than it is the other. Once it's started through, we can go ahead and start this one into the freezer as well. Now we can tighten up both of our screws. Once that's done, we can put in our cover. Notice there's a little recess on each end of the cover. These have to go in first. So starting at one side, place the recess into the handle. Gently bend in the middle and pop it into place. Then working from one side to the other, firmly press the handle cover in place. Check the bottom to make sure the striker's in the right position. And there you have it, a newly installed handle. Thank you very much for watching.